If a simple melody could change everything, I would never, ever, 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 ever stop singing. If a simple melody could make you mine, I would always, 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 always find time. If my time means anything to you, should let me know.
Bayan 101.9.
At syempre, oras ay natid sa atin ngayon ng EO Executive Optical. If you love your eyes, come visit EO Executive Optical for expert eye care. At syempre, nakasabi ko nga sa inyo, babasahin ko yung ilan sa mga messages nyo pa kanina. Sabi niya, Brett, naka-visit ka na ba ng house ni Fritzy? Na-meet mo na ba ang parents niya? When is your birthday? Yan ang sabi ni Gina ng Imus Cavite.
I haven't went to their house yet. And I met their parents, and they're both really nice.
Yeah.
So, regards to them. Hello.
When's your birthday daw?
March 15th.
March
1991.
15. All right. Hey Ryan, when will you court your hindi natanong ko na to eh. Yan Ryan, do you miss Jenny? Sabi yan ni Shex ng San Pedro Laguna. Do you miss Jenny raw?
Of course, I miss. Hello?
Hello. All right.
1, 2, 3. Can I say now? Oh, of course, I miss Jenny. She was my really close housemate, one of the closest housemate in PBB house. Of course, I miss Jenny. Yeah, where is she? Do you know her?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam ba't ako tinatanong mo. Ayan, okay. Hi Ryan and Brett. I'm one of your fans. I really, yun, nabasa ko na rin pala yan. Ito pala, sabi ni Faye ng QC, ang galing mo Brett. We love you here in QC. Sana magkaroon ka na ng acoustic album mo. Cool. Yun ang sabi ni Faye. Ngayon naman, nasan pa ba? Arnold Ray, hello kina Brett and Ryan. Ryan, pakigreet mo naman ang son ko si Chastila na nag-iingay at naglilikot at pamuamwa at chup-chup naman, Brett. Yan. So, Ryan, pakigreet daw si Chastila. Ayan, Chastila. Ayan, bata.
Great.
Greet, yeah.
Hello, Chastila.
Pati ako nahihirapan dito. Chastila.
Hello, Chastila. Hello, Chastila. I think you're really handsome and let's drink coffee sometime and then sleep where. And you should eat dinner now. Before you sleep, you should eat dinner and then take where and bye-bye. Study where.
Alright. Mama chup chup daw, Brett.
Of course.
Kay Chastila.
Mwah, mwah. Chup, chup.
Alright. Ito naman, galing kay Belle ng Cebu. Hi, Brett. Where do you hang out with Ryan and James?
We hang out everywhere.
Yeah, like
Mostly
everywhere.
Everywhere. Malls,
Yeah,
anywhere.
more,
Anywhere we can
yeah.
act crazy.
Yeah.
Alright. Kuya Ryan, anong nagugustuhan mo kay Ate Jenny?
What do you like about Jenny, Ryan?
Oh, I like her. Actually, she pretend she's really stronger. She pretend she's strong, but her heart is really like weak and warm, like deep inside.
Fragile.
She's like weak. She's really warm and she's like. Yeah. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. She's but she pretends she's really strong. She's not crying, but in her heart, her heart is really beautiful. Like really.
Oh.
Alright.
Her heart, not face. Her heart.
Her heart.
Heart. Yeah.
Ayan, magkaiba yan. Okay, ito naman, galing kay Fredzy ng Makati. Hi, Brett. What's your dream date? You guys mentioned inside the PBB house na you want to go to Boracay. Are you still planning to go there?
Yes,
Yes,
planning
we are.
to go to
Yeah.
Boracay. For sure.
Alright, siguro si Fredzy ng Makati, abangan kayo doon sa Boracay. Boracay ba? Ayan. Alright, meron ba kayong, saan ba ang mga appearance niyo ulit? TV appearances?
Yes.
Saan na ba? Sige,
Yes.
sabihin natin sa mga tambayers natin. So
them
Ryan,
as
you
of
tell
Yeah.
our tambayers to see you
Tomorrow.
on TV.
Tomorrow we have ASAP show like Brett and me and James and Ivan, we will dance in ASAP. After you go to church, after church, please watch ASAP.
ASAP.
Watch us.
ASAP. Please watch ASAP. Yeah.
Try to look out for me on Mix pretty soon.
Oh.
Coming up for the next 3 months, so hope you tune into that. Also, look out for Star Records .ph. I'll be on there digitally soon. So, other than that, ASAP tomorrow and future guestings. Look out for that.
ASAP tomorrow, and I have school on Monday. Oh my God.
School on Monday,
See you
yun.
in
Ayan.
DLSU.
Oh,
And
kita raw
vote
kayo.
for Ryan for Candy Cuties. Top Candy
No.
Cuties. I think you need to
Dude.
vote for him, please.
People will get angry.
No,
Don't make
no.
people angry. Yeah. Yeah.
Candy
Let's make them
Cuties,
happy. No,
number
no.
one.
It's
Need
okay.
Ryan Bang.
It's
Everyone
okay. No,
vote
no,
now.
no.
Go to the
No.
website,
No, no.
candycuties.com.
Alright, thank you so much,
Yes.
Beth and Ryan. Ayan.
Oh,
Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
yeah,
Nag-enjoy ka ba, Ryan?
Oh my, I
Enjoy
really
so
enjoy it. Can I sleep here? I love it.
Of course.
Can I
Why don't you accompany me till 10 p.m.?
Let's do that.
But I have to go home. I'm Cinderella boy.
Cinderella boy.
Before,
Alright.
before 12
You have
o'clock,
to
I have to go home. Yeah.
Alright. Thank you so much, Ryan and
Welcome.
Brett.
Thank
you.
Of course, mula dito sa Tambayan 101.9, San ka pa? Okay, tuloy-tuloy na nga po natin ang ating tugtugan. At syempre, maraming salamat din sa mga nag-text ng mga messages nila sa 2366 at sa mga nanonood sa atin sa www.tambayan1019. Magpupunas na ulit ako muna ng pawis. Abay, sige, tugtugan na nga tayo dito sa Tambayan 101.9, San ka pa? Kasama niyo po, yours cutie, Arnold Ray.